Welcome back to another video. So I'm going to do a polygel set today, but it's going to be an XXL set. It's going to be a long one. So I've pulled out, I'm going to use the Lazy Girl kit polygel and Lazy Girl kit tips from SXC. Here we go, great start. So this is the glitter I'm using from Colours World. It's matte pink. It's stunning, and it's got silver leaf and silver dots. Absolutely love this glitter. So this pink is from the Lazy Girl pink polygel set, and that's the tips, XXL full cover. I'm going to be using the coffin. You get a stiletto in this little pack as well. So you need to get the shiny surface off when you're doing Lazy Girl method inside the tip. You can use your e-file and file it off. I'm just using a bit of primer, and it just etches it and kind of gets rid. Can you see? It's gone kind of cloudy. That's all you want. You want to turn it cloudy. So I'm just filling this tip up now with base coat. I'm not curing the base coat. And this is the pinky. I'm just going to do a glitter fade in the pinky and the pointer finger, just coming up from the tip. And they're going to go in the lamp for 30 seconds. So just pull it off, check underneath. That's what it's going to look like when it's on your nail. Make sure your fade's nice. So that's the pinky and pointer finger done. I did the pointer off camera because it's exactly the same. So this is going to be my middle finger. Again, base coat, and I'm just doing a little glitter swoosh, kind of swooshy, swirly line going up the top of this one. Up the top? Nope, just up it. That's going in a lamp for 30 seconds as well. So that's all my glitter done. I've done a swoosh going up the thumbnail as well. So we're going to get these put on my nails now. So I'm using nude polygel. That's from the SXC Classic kit. And I've just put a blob at the cuticle area. You want it nice and thin. I did need to put a little bit more in actually. Nice and thin at the cuticle area. Make sure you get it right up the sides so that you don't have gaps. And I'm just going to fade it off down the nail. You could fill the nail, but yeah, I've just faded it off down the nail. And then I'm just going to press that really, really gently onto my pinky. Leave a little millimetre gap between the nail and your cuticle. If any squishes out, just use your brush and a bit of alcohol, wipe it away. And then that's going to go in the lamp for a full 60 seconds cure. Quick and easy. This pink is beautiful. I think this is my favourite pink polygel. I love the shade of this pink. It's beautiful, isn't it? Like a pale bubble gum. I like it. So this nail is my ring finger, and it's just going to be a plain full polygel nail. So I'm completely filling that nail, keeping it thin at the cuticle area, thin at the tip. So I will let you watch, and I will be back in a sec. So my ring finger's done now. So this is going to be my middle finger, and I'm using the nude polygel for this one. And again, I'm going to completely fill this nail. Again, I didn't put enough in. I had to put some more in. So yeah, I'll let you watch this, and I'll be back in a sec. I'll do the other nails off camera. Right guys, so that is all my nails on. What I'm going to quickly do is just top coat underneath the nails, mostly just to encapsulate that glitter that's under the nail, and just because I wanted them shiny, but mostly to encapsulate the glitter. And I'm going to quickly cure that for 30 seconds. So now I'm just going to give them a quick file around the cuticle area. I like to just blend them in a little bit more at the cuticle area with a file, and just blend them in a little bit more at the sides. And then I'm going to use a buffer and buff off all the shiny surface, get all the shine off. And I use an alcohol spray just to clean up, get rid of all that dust. And then I'm going to give them all a top coat so I can put a little bit of artwork on them. Aren't they pretty? That glitter is so nice. Right, so I've pulled out 605. This is one of SXC's brand new gel polishes. I really like these gel polishes. They are the thinnest gels I've ever used, but they're actually really nice. They're really opaque, really pigmented. So I've just done a kind of half a French outline, and I'm just pouring clear acrylic in that because I wanted it to have that matte embossed kind of look. And I'm going to do the same on the pinky as well. So that's gone in the lamp for 30 seconds. So on this nail and the thumb, they're just going to have a little swooshy line going up them. And again, I'm going to pour the clear acrylic into this as well. So I kind of wanted it thick at the top, thick at the bottom, and then kind of thin in the middle of the swooshy line. I'll let you watch and I'll be back in a sec. So I'm going to get these blinged up now. I've pulled out some silver gems, some clear ones. I ended up not using the clear ones. And I've pulled out these bad boys. So I'm going to get these blinged right up now. A lot of this, I was out of shot, guys. I was concentrating so hard. I very rarely go out of shot. So yeah, I've skipped a lot of it. Sorry. So just a nice little douse of cuticle oil. I love cuticle oil for how it keeps your cuticles nice and just nice. But I hate the feel of it. I hate the look of it. So I rub it all off once it's in there. How nice are they, guys? They're so sparkly, so blingy, so bloody long. But I love them. I love them. I just can't wear them. But yeah, I really like them. Let me know what you think, guys. Should I do more of these long sets? I really enjoy them. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. You can get 15% off SXC products on the website using my code Aggie15. Link is in my description box. I'll pin it in the comments. But yeah, that's it, guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.